My name is Edwin. I am 24 years old. I live in Abrego. I work independently and I study agronomy. My daily routine. I wake up every day at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth and go to work. At 8 a.m. I come back to have breakfast and they go to work again. I spend the whole day working. In the afternoon, I come home to rest, have dinner, and organize my tank and plant for the next day. That is my daily routine. Thank you. The action they are going. They are shaking Chan with show agreed or a formal agreement. They are looking at it all, showed respect and attention. They are smiling, which shown a friendly or polite interaction. Clothing description. The man on the left is wearing a traditional white Arabic robe called sock and the jet covering known as a kufiya head in place with a band. The man on the right wearing a formal suit with a band or dark green jacket, a white shirt and the tie.